Hey everybody, what's going on? Casey Commons here, the Regional Sales Manager at Listen Technologies. I'm here in the Metro New York area at the Almo Exertis E4. Today I'm really showcasing, kind of want to focus on one of our hottest product categories, which is Listen Everywhere. So for those that aren't familiar with it, this is our audio over Wi-Fi line. This is a complement and an addition to, in a lot of cases, to our typical RF and infrared. It's really simple. Just think about it, bring your own device mentality. So rather than having to hand out a body pack receiver, we actually have an entire Wi-Fi system where you could use your own smart device. So it's really simple in terms of the product itself. So on the head end, we start here with the server. So in this case, little fancy case here, this Listen Everywhere server, this is our 2-channel server. This exists in 2 channels, analog or balance, or we also have a Dante version of this, but then it goes on the back of it, direct Ethernet into, most of the time, the existing network. So if you are a guest that needs hearing assistance or language interpretation, you'd be able to easily download our app. Our app is available on any Google Play or Apple App Store, and also isn't just limited to smart devices. You could do iPads, other tablets as well. So once you get onto the existing network that the server's on, this is what the app looks like right out of the box. So if I want to be able to listen to my channel here, I think I have the Great British Bake Off as my audio source here, but just a good idea to convey how easy it is to route the audio from this TV or the computer behind it and be able to listen to the audio that way. So like I said, the server itself is a 2-channel. We go all the way up to 16 channels, but yeah, we're anywhere from education, classrooms, anywhere where there's a public gathering area, be able to just QR code, download an app, listen to whatever the audio source is that way. That's what we're here to do, is just help people hear. So if you have any more curiosity, want to look into it any further, we're at www.listentech.com, and the line is Listen Everywhere.